Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. I always forget to say this, so I just wanted to say it before I start this video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Hey guys, this is Melissa, Diamond Nana. Got another unbagging for you. Temu, of course. I am an affiliate for Temu and an influencer. But I paid for these out of my own pocket. Ooh. You can't see that. I don't know what I'm holding it up there for. And I think I foobarred, which ain't unusual for me. Because, you know, I don't know if you've already seen it yet or if you will see it before you see this one, because I don't know how they're going to be scheduled. You know the wolves? The long 30 by 90 wolves? I got another one. So I'm not going to open it. Come on now. Okay, I'll do it that way. I hate to do them that way, but I'll do it that way. Oh, they want to protect it. You get your basic toolkit. Okay, I don't think I've ever seen baggies like this. Kinda. Uh-oh. I was gonna open them, but you guys see that? Yeah. I won't be opening these until time to get them up. I need that bubble wrap. Okay, I'm not even sure. I know this is a Volkswagen van. It's a 30 by 40. I don't have my Hippie thingy to measure with, but I'm sure it's a 25 by 35. I may be wrong. It's got butterflies, the moon, the sun, the rainbows, the bus, flowers. Just really pretty. Let me bring it down and show you the drill field. Does have DMC codes 1 through 22, and it looks like they're all letters, not in order, but that's okay. Okay, let me go. It's sticky, very sticky. I wished I didn't have so many whips already going, because I just finished up one. Finished up the canvas for the hashtag Feline Love 24. I just finished it up and I don't have time to start another one. Not that I have another cat one. I thought I had more cats, but I can't. Can't find them. Isn't that gorgeous? And I'll give you another once over of the drills. I love that color. I bet that's 797. Some gorgeous colors in here. All right. I hate not having a bag to put that back in. You know what? I got a bag right here. Maybe. Well, I'll probably cut this out so y'all don't have to watch me struggle or hear me struggle through this. Come on. That didn't take but a whole 5 minutes. I sure did the toolkit on that. This one is a little steampunky, and I love steampunk. Or that's what I would call it anyway. Come on. Well, Jack, I'm riding your struggle bus today, will you, honey? That's what I get for ordering a Hello Kitty, because I have to ride the struggle bus with you. A little better than average toolkit. You get 2 plates of wax, a 4-placer, woohoo! Single placer, a bunch of bags, and a green bolt. KA 1352. This is supposed to be a 40 by 50, and I just about believe that it probably is true to size, even though I don't have one of those hickey thingies to measure with. I don't know where it's at, and I've ordered so many of them from Temu. And it's just like, I got a ghost in this house that eats my stuff. Wait. Oh. No, this is round. I was thinking it looked square. But that's what I got in today's haul from Temu. I guess y'all get tired of hearing me talk about Temu, but you know what? I buy what I can afford to buy from. And it is what it is. But anyway, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.